Good afternoon, all of you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just tell me whether I have completed the exercise 1 with you all.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what about syllabus I completed, na? Isomedicine?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Exercise 2 I have to start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The first question. First question says is the most stable conformation of 2-fluorobutane 2-ol. Sorry, 3-fluoro. 3-fluorobutane 2-ol. Okay, so now these carbon atoms, the carbon here is bonded to a methyl group, a hydrogen, an OH group, और उसके पीछे ये कार्बन है. इस कार्बन पे क्या क्या है? मिथाइल है और क्या है?
Chlorine.
हाइड्रोजन है और फ्लोरीन है. Can I say this is the fully eclipsed form?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये कौन सा कंफर्मेशन है?
Staggered.
Gosh.
Gosh.
गॉश है ये.
Gosh.
ये फुल्ली एक्लिप्स्ड है. ये गॉश है.
मैम स्टैगर्ड और गॉश में क्या फर्क है सिर्फ नाम का?
हाँ, ये भी स्टैगर्ड ही बोला जाएगा, बट देन इसमें जो डाइहेड्रल एंगल है बिटवीन द मिथाइल ग्रुप्स, डाइहेड्रल एंगल मतलब आगे वाला मिथाइल और पीछे वाले मिथाइल के बीच का जो एंगल है, कैन आई
Yes,
से
ma'am.
60 डिग्री है
यस मैम.
और एंटी में वो 180 होता है.
यस मैम.
ठीक है. ये कौन सा हो गया? ये एक्लिप्स्ड हो गया.
Harsh.
व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फुल्ली एक्लिप्स्ड एंड एक्लिप्स्ड? फुल्ली एक्लिप्स्ड और एक्लिप्स में कौन सा डिफरेंस है?
In fully eclipsed, same
कार्बन
atoms
के
are
पीछे
behind each other.
कार्बन. Eclipse is less stable.
ओके. इसको और रोटेट किया तो मैंने कहा कैन आई से मिथाइल यहाँ आ जाएगा
Anti.
Yes, ma'am.
और यहाँ पे फ्लोरीन, यहाँ पर H. इसको और रोटेट किया तो सी आई विल गेट वन पर्टिकुलर कन्फर्मेशन में जिसमें ये स्ट्रक्चर होगा. आई एम शोइंग इट टू यू. मिथाइल यहाँ होगा, फ्लोरीन यहाँ होगा और हाइड्रोजन यहाँ. कैन आई से दिस विल बी द मोस्ट स्टेबल कन्फर्मर?
Hydrogen bonding.
हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग भी है और ये बल्कि ग्रुप्स दूर हैं मिथाइल ग्रुप्स.
Yes, ma'am.
So this antiform will be more stable than this antiform. Are you understanding?
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
इसमें फ्लोरीन एंड OH lie in the gauche, but methyl and methyl lie in the antiform. So this is the most stable conformer. So if they ask you what should be your answer?
Gosh.
Gauche between fluorine and hydrogen. OH, sorry, fluorine and OH.
Thanks, भैया.
बट एंटी भी तो है ना?
हाँ मैम, anti भी है.
Anti ये groups है, but then they basically here if they're asking you, they're asking you with respect to the functional groups. समझा?
ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई फ्लोरीन एंड OH का जो भी है
Yes, yes.
तो ऑप्शन सी.
हाँ हाँ. Got it?
यस मैम.
Okay.
Okay. Why are 3-membered cyclic compounds very reactive?
Angle strain.
Yes, because they have huge amount of Bayer strain. Bayer strain क्या होता है?
Angle strain.
Angle strain.
हाँ, एंगल स्ट्रेन होता है. और टॉर्शनल स्ट्रेन क्या होता है?
Due to the repulsion of electrons.
हाँ, टॉर्शनल एंड स्टेरिक स्ट्रेन इज सेम. So they have
Yes.
reported. हाँ. So इसमें तो एंगल स्ट्रेन है, so answer should be option B. Okay. Now going to the next question. The two
Ma'am, what is
structures.
homologue?
Homologue means, have you heard about homologous series?
Yes.
Yes,
What are
ma'am.
what is a homologous series?
Means they are series containing same
Same
functional group.
general formula.
Can I say ethane and propane?
Yes,
They
ma'am.
form a member of homologous series. So basically they differ with what?
Higher
CH2 group.
CH2 group.
So basically this will be a higher alkane. इससे ज़्यादा higher alkane लिया, so they have the same general formula. Homologous series have the same general formula. Like what is the general formula for alkane?
CH2n plus 2.
Similarly, alcohols form their own homologous series. Ethers form their own homologous series. Remember, functional group और general formula same होना चाहिए homologous series का. अब इसमें देखो, ये कार्बन देखो, ये वाला डॉट वाला, that is connected to which groups?
CH3 and HNH.
हाँ, तो ये डॉट वाला कार्बन ये वाला है. It is connected to a methyl and 2 hydrogen. ये समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
उसके पीछे एक और कार्बन है, तो ये कार्बन जो सर्किल वाला है, उस पे क्या क्या है?
2H.
3H.
हाँ, so can I say
3H.
these 3 hydrogen are like this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो ये किसका confirmation है? What is this compound?
Propane.
Propane. Now go to this one. This is the carbon which I am showing here. It is bonded to a methyl group, hydrogen and hydrogen. It is connected to the other carbon. ये वाला carbon कौन सा? ये circle वाला है. समझा?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That is again connected to 2 hydrogen and 1
One
methyl. तो ये
Yes,
किसका
ma'am.
structure हो गया?
Butane.
Butane. So
Butane.
what is the relation between
Homolog.
propane and butane?
Homolog.
Yes. They are homologs because they differ by one carbon. In fact, they differ by a CH2 group. ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. Now going to the fourth question. I want you to tell me the fourth one. Give me what is the first one and give me what is the second one. अभी देखो इतना ज्यादा मतलब डिटेल में जाने की जरूरत नहीं
Homologs का क्या होता है definition?
Homologs are members of the same series with the same functional group having the same general formula, but the successive or the consecutive members differ by a CH2 group.
Ma'am, can you repeat the definition of homologs, please?
Okay, write it down. Write it down. Homologs are members of a series. Homologs are members of a series having the same general formula. Homologs are members of the same series. What did I say? Wait. Homologs are members of a series with the same general formula, comma, same functional group, in which the successive members differ by a CH2 group. In which the successive members differ by a CH2 group.
Ma'am, can you repeat from after functional group?
Homologs are members of a series which have the same general formula, same functional group, and in which the successive members differ by a CH2 group. Did you finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at this one. Can I say this carbon has 2 methyl and 1 hydrogen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What about this carbon?
2 methyl and 1
one
hydrogen.
hydrogen.
Identical.
And what about the पीछे वाला carbon?
2
एक
methyl, 1
मिथाइल
hydrogen.
एक मिथाइल इधर, 2 मिथाइल और 1 हाइड्रोजन.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
ये भी
Yes.
2 मिथाइल है और 1 हाइड्रोजन है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
हाँ. So what type of isomers are there?
Identical.
They are conformational isomers. Very good. How are they conformational?
When you rotate the carbon, you get this.
हाँ, just rotate this circle वाला कार्बन. ये सर्किल वाले कार्बन को रोटेट करो ताकि ये जो मिथाइल है, वेट, ये जो मिथाइल है वो इधर आ जाए हाइड्रोजन की तरफ. तो जब ये मिथाइल इधर आ जाएगा, ये मिथाइल कहाँ जाएगा?
Right.
I'm
ma'am.
bringing this
Right.
methyl here. So this methyl will go
Upar.
where? Can I
Upar.
say it will come here?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And where will this H go?
Down. Down.
So will I
Down.
get this form?
Yes.
So
Yes.
can I say these are two orientations of a molecule obtained due to free rotation across a single bond?
Yes, ma'am.
So they
Yes,
are
ma'am.
conformational isomers. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Fifth one, I want you to tell me what they are. आगे वाले कार्बन पे देखो कौन सी ग्रुप्स है
3H है
3H.
मतलब ये जो कार्बन है उस पे 3H है दैट इज कनेक्टेड टू द सर्किल वाला कार्बन तो ये सर्किल वाला कार्बन है उस पे क्या क्या है
3
3CH3.
methyl.
so can I say this carbon the circle wala carbon is connected to 4 methyl groups
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so this is neopentane अब इसको देखते हैं ये कार्बन पे क्या है 2 हाइड्रोजन है और एक क्या है
Yes.
Methyl.
हाँ that is connected to the circle wala carbon so this is the circle wala carbon that is again connected to what
2 methyl
Two
and 1
methyl and
hydrogen.
one
groups
hydrogen.
and 1 hydrogen.
2 methyl and 1 hydrogen so this is what this is actually CH3 this carbon is connected to CH3 and H and it is then connected to a CH2 CH3 ये क्या है
Isopentane.
Butane. Methyl
Butane.
हाँ 2 methyl butane and this is 2 dimethyl propane what type of isomers can I say they are
Constitutional.
chain yes
Constitutional.
constitutional they are chain isomers all your structural isomers come under constitutional all your stereo isomers come under conformational configurational see in the first page of your isomerism when I have done the classification there I have made you write that all structural isomers are also classified as constitutional
Constitutional.
and all stereoisomers are written as
Configuration.
configurational so these are structural isomers in other words they are constitutional isomers all your chain position functional tautomerism ring chain वो सब इधर आएंगे constitutional में और geometrical optical किस में आएंगे
Configuration.
configurational
मैम आपने क्या बोला था कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल स्ट्रक्चरल है और स्टीरियोआइसोमर्स
configurational
हम स्टीरियो आइसोमर्स में कन्फर्मर्स भी आते हैं ना
हाँ हाँ conformers भी आते हैं
ओके
मैम ज्योमेट्रिकल कहाँ पे आता है
geometrical optical conformational सब यहाँ आएंगे configurational isomer मतलब stereo isomer
हम कॉन्फ़िगरेशनल सिर्फ ऑप्टिकल और ज्योमेट्रिकल है कि कन्फर्मेशनल भी
actually conformations को can I say these are two different configurations like or two different orientations
यस
Yes.
so we can consider them as stereo isomers
तो कन्फर्मेशनल इज आल्सो कॉल्ड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन
yes yes
ओके मैम
so this
But-
you have understood isopentane and neopentane
Yes, ma'am.
okay
Ma'am, but configuration and conformation are two different isomers which come under stereo isomers, right?
that is true some books give it that way but some other higher level books give it together only so basically they are differing in orientations na and those molecules will differ in their orientations बाकी सब कुछ same है सिर्फ orientations अलग है those compounds are called as configuration ठीक है
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
sixth question people are still joining हाँ sixth one
साइक्लोब्यूटेन
नहीं साइक्लोप्रोपेन है ये ये
Propane.
देखो ये आगे वाला कार्बन है उस पे क्या है
HH and CH2.
ऊपर CH2 है और ये ऊपर वाला CH2 is connected to this carbon ये सर्किल वाला कार्बन है सर्किल वाले कार्बन पे इसको कनेक्टेड है वो और उस पे 2 हाइड्रोजन है तो ये कौन सा रिंग है
Cyclopropane.
yes this is cyclopropane did you understand
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
नहीं समझा है देखो ध्यान दो ये आगे वाला कार्बन जो है can I say it is bonded to 2 hydrogen
Yes.
and ऊपर क्या जा रहा है CH2 ग्रुप जा रहा है and that CH2 group is also connected to that circle wala carbon. So this is the circle wala carbon. Can I say the circle wala carbon is connected to the front carbon?
Yes.
तो ये कनेक्शन है. और वो सर्किल वाले कार्बन पे और दो क्या है?
Hydrogen.
तो एक हाइड्रोजन और ये दूसरा हाइड्रोजन. So can I say this is a 3-membered ring?
Yeah.
So it's cyclopropane. All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This will be what?
Cyclobutane.
Yes, this will be cyclobutane. All of you have understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Could you tell me the answer for the 7th one?
Second one,
What is the reason?
anti.
Anti.
Form.
Yes. Can I say
Antiform.
इसमें सिर्फ दो methyl groups dihedral angle? What is the dihedral angle? Have I told you?
No.
Ma'am, there's some idea, but we can't define it properly.
डाइहेड्रल एंगल क्या होता है? ये आगे वाला जो ग्रुप्स होते हैं और जो पीछे वाले जो ग्रुप्स होते हैं उनके बीच का एंगल. So the groups which are bonded to the front carbon and the groups which are bonded to the rear carbon, the angle between them. Can I say here there are only two methyl groups having a dihedral angle of 60 degrees here?
Yes.
But here the
ma'am.
here also you can see ये भी staggered form ही है. But can I say यहाँ पर methyl groups का concentration ज्यादा हो गया इस तरफ?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In fact they are all close, very close to each other. यहाँ पे दो इधर है तो दो opposite side पे है. ये तो
मैम वहाँ पे टॉरिशनल स्ट्रेन होएगा ना लेफ्ट में, ए में.
हाँ, A में सबसे can I say torsional strain आपको सबसे ज्यादा C में मिलेगा?
Yeah, because
Yes, ma'am.
closer. Yeah.
तो C has maximum torsional strain. उसके बाद
D.
B,
D,
उसके बाद
A,
A, and B.
B,
तो most stable will be B.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. This is torsional strain. Stability will be reverse. Okay. 8th question. Acha, when I'm rotating this molecule, is the angle between these groups changing?
No.
Can I say angle is not changing, but dihedral angle is changing?
Yeah.
Yes,
ma'am.
You understood what I said?
Yes.
So when you add the Newman's conformations, it's dihedral angle which changes, not the angles between the atoms.
Angles.
Got it? Huh. Have I done Sawhorse with you all?
No.
Sawhorse projection नहीं किया है ना मैंने? I think I
No,
forgot
ma'am.
doing this. Yes. So just let me tell you what is Sawhorse projection. Like Newman. अभी Newman में हम ethane का structure कैसे बनाते हैं? एक कार्बन को आगे लेते हैं और दूसरे को पीछे लेते हैं. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So this is how I convert ethane into Newmans, by looking at the carbon in such a way, looking at the molecule in such a way that one carbon is viewed from ahead and the other goes behind. But in Sawhorse, what is done is you have to view the molecule sideways. Say this is your carbon having the 3 hydrogen atoms. The other carbon has to be shown at an angle of 45 degrees, this one, so that you are able to view both the carbon and the 3 hydrogen coming from there. So this is called as Sawhorse projection. इसको न्यूमैन्स बोलते हैं और इसको सॉहॉर्स बोलते हैं. दिस इज एक्लिप्स फॉर्म ऑफ इथेन. इसका स्टैगर्ड कौन सा होगा? ये होगा स्टैगर्ड. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sawhorse has an advantage over Newmans. What is the advantage?
Better viewing.
No, better view Newmans gives you.
We can show more than 2 carbons.
Very good, excellent. You can just keep on going. इसके पीछे भी you can go on. But Newmans में you can just rotate one CC bond. Here you can keep on rotating all the, मतलब continuous chain बना सकते हो उसमें. Got it?
मैम आप इससे पहले वाले में C और D का टॉरिशनल स्ट्रेन एक्सप्लेन करोगे वापस? C और D का.
C में कहना है से ये मिथाइल मिथाइल और मिथाइल मिथाइल एक्लिप्स कर रहे हैं.
यस मैम.
यहाँ पे मिथाइल किसको एक्लिप्स कर रहा है?
H हाइड्रोजन.
H.
तो ये छोटा एटम है ना, तो टॉर्शनल स्ट्रेन कम हो जाएगा.
यस मैम.
सॉहर्स बना देना ये. You need to know Sawhorse also.
मैम सोहर्स में हमेशा 45 डिग्री का बनाना है.
हाँ 45 डिग्री एंगल वाला बनाना।
Okay.
Of
Like
course,
a
you don't
project.
use a protractor for that. Just free hand drawing होता है ये। But Sawhorse has given the projection in terms of sideways view of the molecule, such that one carbon जो ahead है, the rear carbon also should be visible at an angle of 45 degrees to the front. Done, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Gauche in Sawhorse, okay. ये न्यूमेंस है, देखो Sawhorse में, सॉरी न्यूमेंस का गॉश है। अब इसको मैं Sawhorse में कन्वर्ट करती हूँ। ये वाला जो हमारा फ्रंट कार्बन है, इट इज बॉन्डेड टू अ मिथाइल, हाइड्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन। ये तुम्हारा ये सर्किल वाला कार्बन है। क्या, व्हाट इज द एंगल बिटवीन द डाइहेड्रल एंगल बिटवीन दिस?
60।
हाँ, तो ये 60 डिग्री के आसपास ये मिथाइल का एंगल होना चाहिए। See which gives a better view. Now you tell me.
Sawhorse.
Newmans.
Newmans. इसमें
Newmans.
something ही नहीं। Newmans always gives a better view. But the only thing is Newmans can show the rotation of only one CC bond. But Sawhorse में you can show multiple CC bonds getting rotated. Okay. चलो let's proceed. Eighth question. Select the correct statements. Eclipsed and staggered ethanes give different products on reaction with chlorine. No. The conformations are going to give you the same products on reactions. हाँ, products same ही आते हैं कभी भी reactions में. Conformations don't give you different products. The conformation isomers can be isolated. No. The energy gap between the conformations is so small that the molecules keep on rotating from one form to the other. So you cannot just simply isolate one particular form because it will again rotate to the other form, and that energy is available at room temperature. If you want to isolate conformations, you have to go somewhere around 0 Kelvin. 0 Kelvin मतलब
-273.
हाँ, तो वो temperature पे can I say the molecule will not have any energy to move?
Yes.
So if it has no energy to move, can I say the conformations will be locked over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So at that instant, you can isolate the conformation, but not at room temperature. Torsional strain in ethane is minimum at dihedral angle. Ethane का torsional strain at dihedral angle. ये है तुम्हारा conformation of ethane. इसमें मैंने अगर dihedral angle between these two hydrogen atoms, if I make it as 60 degrees, which form am I going to get?
Gauche.
Staggered.
Gauche थोड़ी है, staggered है।
And staggered.
हाँ, और 60 से किया तो मैंने नहीं, और 60 से नहीं, 180 से, मतलब ये हाइड्रोजन और ये हाइड्रोजन को 180 पे लेकर आई मैं। So if I take this here, can I say again I'll get the staggered conformation?
Yes, ma'am.
300 means again I'm going this side. This hydrogen I'm bringing it here. Can I say again I'm going to get staggered?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And staggered will have minimum torsional strain. Do you agree?
Yes.
Ma'am.
So this is a correct statement. Steric strain is minimum in staggered. Gauche. Staggered वाला कौन सा? Gauche form of N-butane. Steric strain is minimum. नहीं, steric strain will be minimum in anti, no? Anti form में सबसे कम होगा ना steric strain.
Yes.
हाँ मैम.
मैंने ऑर्डर दिया था, आपको याद है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A फॉर्म सबसे स्टेबल होगा, इसमें सबसे कम टॉर्शनल स्ट्रेन है, स्टेरिक स्ट्रेन. सो आंसर इज ओनली सी. All of you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the ninth one. I want you to tell me किसका structure है ये. 1 minute. महक AC चालू करना, बच्चा बहुत गर्म हो रहा है.
काय पण रांधा तुझा आवाज निघाला कुठल्या स्टेटमेंटला. ती एवढा वेळ विचारती बोलती आणि विचारते प्रश्न, तू एकदाही उत्तर देत नाहीस. आणि तिच्या एसीच्या ह्याला तू जे फक्त रिॲक्शन ते काय अभ्यास कर.
Radhnya, you have to mute yourself, बच्चा. Okay. Fine. Let us go about this now. ये देखो ये कार्बन, इस पे हाइड्रोजन कितने हैं?
2.
Can I say यहाँ तक अगर आप मॉलिक्यूल को देखोगे, this part of the molecule is cyclohexane.
Yes, ma'am.
The chair conformation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This part of the molecule is again cyclohexane, the boat conformation.
yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There are 2 cyclohexane rings joined by this carbon in between. So now give me the answer.
A.
Then it has to be C.
Yes, this
C,
is
ma'am.
cyclohexane and this is another cyclohexane. This is the chair conformation and this is what?
Boat.
Boat
Boat.
conformation. And can I say उनके बीच में क्या है? ये कार्बन है. तो ये
Carbon.
cyclohexane है, ये cyclohexane है, उनके बीच में एक कार्बन है. देखो कार्बन ही गिन लो. ये एक कार्बन है, ये दूसरा कार्बन है. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th,
12.
12 and 13. So total carbon molecule में कितने हैं?
13.
इसमें
13.
कितने हैं?
12.
12.
12 कहाँ है इसमें?
11.
इसमें 12 है,
12.
13.
इसमें 13 है और इसमें
8.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So which is your answer?
13. C.
Then it has to be C.
Yes. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is
So-
the chair conformation. This is the boat conformation of cyclohexane and this is the CH2 group in between them.
Ma'am, 2 questions.
Yes, tell me.
So, ma'am, in exam, if suppose we are in stress and we are not able to think properly, then one smart way we can do to find out the proper figure is by at least
Yes,
checking
the
the
first thing
number
you
of
can try
carbon.
is see, can I say all these options are differing in the number of carbon?
Yes, ma'am.
So the best way is count the carbon in the molecule.
And ma'am, ma'am, I visualized the rings, and I got the C. But ma'am, since C was there, they did not find it necessary to show the 2 hydrogens on the carbon.
Which hydrogen are you talking about here?
I'm talking that middle carbon of the CH2 group.
In fact, there are two hydrogen on that.
No, ma'am, I'm talking about that carbon which is joining the 2 rings.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पर अगर they could have shown. They could have shown.
But ma'am, it's not necessary.
No, not necessary.
So
They have
ma'am,
not
if
shown here also. No? See, here also they have not shown for CH2 groups. Have they
Okay.
shown the hydrogen here and here?
no, ma'am.
So it's not necessary that you show it here. In fact, it is not necessary you show here and here also. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
So one smart way I told you is, if the number of carbon are different everywhere, then you can simply count the number of carbon in the molecule and check. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this exercise is done. Any doubts in this?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Ma'am, how did you visualize the chair form and the board form for the rings?
My dear, haven't I done the chair form?
Like in this structure, how did
If
you?
this is the chair form, इसको अगर मैं Newmans में convert करती हूँ, do you remember me doing the Newmans for this?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the Newman's chair form.
Yeah. I
Now instead of
remember.
this H, what they have done is there is a carbon here, which is joined to the boat conformation. Boat conformation, I'm showing it here. Had I told you boat is the what you say eclipse form?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
See, wait, I'll separate the two. See, this is the chair form. And this is your boat conformation. You remember me doing this?
Yes, ma'am.
So this boat conformation, chair conformation, what they have done is they have replaced the hydrogen from here and a hydrogen from here. And they have
Joined with
connected
the carbon.
by a CH2.
Yeah,
Got it?
understood. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So this exercise is done. Home assignment 2 is done. Home assignment 3, have I done anything before?
No.
I think I had started, if I'm not wrong.
Ma'am, we have done this exercise, I think.
Only 5
Ma'am,
questions.
last 3 questions are left.
Yes, ma'am.
Last 3 questions.
Yes.
Okay. Which of the following? 1 minute. Which of the following isomers having molecular formula C2H2Br2 has highest dipole moment and boiling point but lowest melting point? Highest dipole moment means, can I say it will have the highest boiling point? Like you remember I told you in cis and trans, cis form has a higher boiling point than the trans because dipole attraction ज़्यादा होता है ना molecules के बीच में.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now between the cis and trans, tell me which has the highest dipole moment?
This
Even
Can I say इसका dipole moment 0 होगा?
0.
Yes, ma'am.
इसका
ma'am.
नॉन जीरो
Yes,
है, इसका नॉन जीरो
Yes,
है,
ma'am.
इसका भी नॉन जीरो है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, क्योंकि इसमें और इसमें there is no such symmetry which would cancel out the vectors. Am I right?
Yes,
इसका नेट जो होगा डाइपोल will be in this direction, नीचे की तरफ, और इसका जो नेट होगा वो किधर होगा? In this side. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So both these have a non-zero dipole moment, but this one has a zero dipole moment. So this is ruled out. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now going to comparison between option A and C. The CBr bonds, there are two CBr bonds. So if I want to calculate the net dipole, what is the formula for calculating the net dipole moment? Mu1 square, mu2 square plus
2A.
2 new 2.
इसका रूट लेते हैं हम.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये
Yes,
वेक्टर
ma'am.
एडिशन का फॉर्मूला है. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा,
Ma'am.
what does this tell you?
Angle between.
What is the angle between the two bromine atoms here? BRC,
120.
120 degree. What is the angle here?
Uh,
60.
Yes, angle is 60. Cos 60 ज़्यादा होगा या cos 120?
$60 is more.
Yes, so cos 60 is going to be more. So can I say cos 60 बढ़ गया तो net dipole moment इसका ज़्यादा होगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I have just extended it ahead to get the angle. This is your molecule. I have just extended the CBr bond ahead. इस तरफ से और इस तरफ से. तो ये angle क्या हो जाएगा? 60 degree. So 60 degree मतलब cos 60. Cos 60 will be a larger value than cos 120. In other words, the net dipole moment for A will be more than all of these. So answer is to be A. Wrongly, I think they've given it as C in the ऑप्शंस आंसर की? आंसर की में क्या दिया है?
C.
नहीं, रॉन्ग है। ए होना चाहिए इसका आंसर। ओके, 10th क्वेश्चन। Which of the following will not have any geometrical isomer?
A or C?
हाँ, why won't A have? Could you tell me?
Not
Different groups.
सब different.
Different groups है तो क्या हुआ? ZN ही तो हो ही सकता है अगर
Different planes.
planar
Very
ही
good.
नहीं है।
हाँ, that should be your answer.
Non-planar.
Can I say if chlorine and bromine are lying in the plane of the paper, the iodine and fluorine will be perpendicular here?
Yes, ma'am.
So if these are perpendicular, the end valencies, will there be any geometrical isomerism?
No, ma'am.
So this is your answer. This will show ZN.
Yeah.
ये कौन सा फॉर्म है? Z फॉर्म है या E फॉर्म है?
E.
हाँ, this is E form. Will this show?
No.
No.
Can I say again here the end valencies are perpendicular?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
वैसे भी यहाँ पे 2 Cl है, देख के ही मालूम पड़ता है कि नहीं होगा इसमें। Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
This will show. ये कौन सा
नहीं मैम,
फॉर्म है?
ZN ही तो हो सकता ना।
किसमें?
E.
नहीं,
किसमें?
Ma'am, Z ना D वाला.
ये वाला? Are you
No,
saying
ma'am.
this is Z?
No,
इसको
ma'am, D में
प्रायोरिटी किसको दोगे आप?
मैम D का बोलो।
हाँ, D में ब्रोमीन हायर प्रायोरिटी, क्लोरीन सेकंड प्रायोरिटी, आयोडीन फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी, फ्लोरीन सेकंड प्रायोरिटी. So which form?
E.
E form. All of you understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts still here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now the 11th one. Which of the following compounds will have a geometrical isomer? इसमें होगा geometrical isomer?
No.
Can I say this
No.
ये methyl और ethyl same plane में होंगे?
Yes.
और
Yes.
6-membered ring में double bond है. How many membered ring should have a double bond to
Eight.
show geometrical? 8-membered. तो
8.
इसमें तो नहीं होगा. What about the second option?
Yes.
Can I say the molecule will rotate? Have I done the biphenyl system?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Can I say this will rotate and the two rings will become mutually perpendicular to each other?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So will this show will this molecule show geometrical
No.
isomerism? No.
No.
Okay. What about this one?
No.
Yes.
इसमें कैसे होगा बताओ? ये सारे एक ही प्लेन में तो हैं.
No.
And each ring is of how many members?
6.
हाँ, तो इसमें नहीं होगा. What about this one?
Yes.
Yes, you are saying because all three came out to be no. You have to explain me. See this ring, the central
Rotate.
ring. Arey, what did I do?
Trans.
Is it visible?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I say this ring will
Rotate.
rotate because ortho पे substituents है?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
First
So if this
order.
ring rotates, this chlorine and bromine are ahead towards you. These bromine and chlorine are going to go behind.
Yes.
What about this form? Is there any difference?
Plane में रह गया मैम.
Can I say methyl
Same
और
plane.
methyl same side पे है?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I could also have something like this. Sorry, यहाँ Cl है. Now, what is the difference between the two? Which this one ऊपर वाला और ये वाला?
Methyl.
Can I say here both the methyl groups are lying on the same side of the ring,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
and here they are
Yes,
lying on the
ma'am.
opposite side.
Opposite.
These will not rotate. Remember why they won't rotate? Because if they try to rotate,
Restriction.
restricted hoga rotation. This
Yes.
will always be perpendicular to these two. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
If it tries to go into the plane, there will be repulsion between these
Hmm.
groups. Okay. So the molecule has a fixed geometry, and this is a cis conformation or cis configuration, and this is a trans. Is this understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 12th का आंसर दे दो.
Geometrical.
Geometrical, yes. The first one is cis and the second one is trans. ठीक है?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Yes,
हाँ
ma'am.
बोलो.
so ma'am, if in exam it is asked that why D shows geometrical isomerism, it
That is
will
due
be
to
because
restricted rotation. हाँ, restricted rotation across the single bond. And restricted rotation across single bond is also known as atrop isomerism. Have I made you write this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जो मैम.
चेक कर लो नोट्स में होगा आई थिंक.
Ma'am, but that was optical isomerism में.
हाँ, तो मैंने restricted rotation की वजह से आ रहा था ना optical
हाँ,
isomerism.
वो बोला.
Yes,
हाँ.
yes.
ठीक है, तो restricted rotation across single bonds is basically it leads to atrop isomerism.
मैम, आप D का geometrical isomer फिर से बता सकते हो?
ये रिंग को खाली उल्टा कर दो, राइट वाले को. एक्सट्रीम राइट वाला है ना,
हाँ, उसको
उसको
उल्टा.
180 से रोटेट कर लो बस.
Okay, मैम.
तो ये मिथाइल इधर नीचे आ जाएगा और इथाइल जहां है वहीं रहेगा.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
हाँ. Okay, so now going to home assignment 4. This I might have not done.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Not done.
I'm not done.
They have asked you number of
Third का
stereo
first
isomers.
वाला explain कर सकते हो वापस.
कौन सा वाला?
Third का first.
थर्ड मतलब ऊपर ऊपर वाली एक्सरसाइज.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा हाँ. 2 phenyl 1 butene. थर्ड का फर्स्ट बोल रहे हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 2 phenyl 1 butene. Can I say this is a terminal alkene?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will not show.
Yes.
हाँ. This will show.
Ma'am, first वाला आप third वाला कर रहे हो.
अच्छा फर्स्ट का थर्ड बोल रहे हो?
First. Yes, ma'am.
सॉरी मेरे को थर्ड का फर्स्ट लगा. You are saying this one?
Second and this one.
ये एजो ग्रुप है ना? एजो ग्रुप में होता है ना ज्योमेट्रिकल.
Yes, ma'am.
ये देखो ये है, ये सिन फॉर्म है. ये लोन पेयर्स एक ही साइड पे है ना?
हाँ, yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो ये सिन फॉर्म है. इसका एंटी फॉर्म में क्या होगा? दोनों लोन पेयर ऑपोजिट साइड पे.
Yes, ma'am.
और इसमें तो रिंग में कितने कार्बन कितने मेंबर होना चाहिए?
8.
साइक्लोएल्कीन शुड हैव एटलीस्ट 8 कार्बन इन द रिंग. सो इसमें नहीं हो पाएगा. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
बट इसमें हो पाएगा. ये देखो इसमें यहाँ पे अगर 2 Cl है विदाउट अ डबल बॉन्ड, इसमें
Yes,
कैसे
ma'am.
होगा?
मैम वो H ऊपर चले जाएगा, Cl नीचे आ जाएगा.
वेरी गुड. यस. कैन आई से दीस टू कार्बन एटम्स आर sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो ये दोनों क्लोरीन आगे आ सकते हैं बोर्ड के तुम्हारी तरफ, या एक आगे
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
पीछे. ठीक है.
Yes. मैम इसका D वाला क्या है? D में भी
डी में कैन आई से कि ये दोनों जो ग्रुप्स हैं यहाँ पर मार्क.
वो सेम प्लेन में नहीं है.
नहीं, ये ग्रुप और ये ग्रुप सेम ही है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये NOH है, लोन पेयर इस तरफ है. इस साइड जो कार्बन पे ग्रुप है वो ये है,
Yes,
और
ma'am.
इस साइड भी सेम ग्रुप है ना? तो ये ग्रुप और ये ग्रुप सेम होने की वजह से ज्योमेट्रिकल नहीं हो पाएगा. Had these two groups been different, then it would show geometrical. कैसे? सपोजिंग ये मिथाइल नहीं है इधर.
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say OH की तरफ सिर्फ बेंजीन रिंग है,
Yes, ma'am.
और ये मिथाइल बेंजीन is on the side of the lone pair.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the other way? I could shift these two. I can switch these two.
Yes,
So that
ma'am.
this group becomes on the same side of OH and this goes on the same side of lone pair.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
मैम इसका 6th वाला भी बता दोगे? Question 6.
Question 6. Different arrangements in say space मतलब configurational. तो configuration मतलब geometrical या optical. Geometrical optical इसमें होगा ना? इसमें geometrical होगा.
अरे
Optical
क्लास
भी-
बरमी
ये देखो ये सिस फॉर्म है उसका.
बनावे ओमाय साला हरामी ओमाय.
Can I say cis form में plane of symmetry होगा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. What about the trans configuration?
Trans means yes, ma'am.
Can I say this will be optically active?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you're asked total stereoisomers for this compound, what number you're going to report?
1,
No.
2.
No. 3 is your answer.
3.
एक तो ये cis form है जो optically inactive form है.
Yes, ma'am.
और trans के 2 होंगे. एक ये dextro है तो इसका mirror image वाला LIVO होगा ना.
LIVO. Yes, ma'am.
This is optically active, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
तो optically active है तो मतलब इसका दूसरा mirror image वाला form भी होगा.
तो मैम ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव 2 ही हो गए ना और स्टीरियो 3.
हाँ स्टीरियो 3 होंगे. ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव 2 होंगे. ज्योमेट्रिकल कितने हैं?
ज्योमेट्रिकल 3.
2 ही होंगे ना. cis और trans. Am I right?
Yes.
So if you're asked the number of geometrical isomers for this, it will be 2. Number of optical isomers for this also will be 2.
Stereo will be 3.
The number of stereo isomers for this will be 3. Are you understanding the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good you asked this question. All of you are clear now with this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Your empty paper I have submitted yesterday only. So 50% से ज़्यादा organic है. So concentrate on isomerism.
आइसोमेरिज्म भी आएगा.
50% से ज़्यादा है isomerism. Almost 50%. या तो उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही होगा.
ठीक है.
इसका ये मतलब नहीं है neglect the other topics.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now the compound X can exist in how many stereoisomers? Stereoisomers के लिए you have to get the formula. Number of stereoisomers is given as 2 raised to n.
Raised to n.
Where n is what?
Number
of stereo centers.
And what are stereo centers?
Double bonds are chiral carbons.
Double bonds जो geometrical होगा and chiral carbons. Am I right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Can I say
Yes.
this molecule has one chiral carbon? Could you tell me where?
बीच वाला CH.
ये वाला
Ma'am,
chiral है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Agree?
C1.
And can I say यहाँ पर ZN system
Geometrical.
होगा? हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So how many stereo centers does this have?
3.
3
Two.
कैसे?
2 stereo centers.
ये double
Four.
bond और ये chiral ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So total stereo isomers will be?
4.
4.
Have you understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you are understanding or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Second question. Correct statements about the compounds A, B, and C. If you are asked to compare, what are you going to do? Just
R
assign R and S configuration. That is the only
R and
way
S.
for comparison. Very good. Give me the configuration here.
S.
1, 2 to 3. I'm going clockwise, but I'll be writing S. Yes. Why I'll be writing S?
What? It is on the
Lowest
horizontal.
priority on
Horizontal.
horizontal line.
Least priority is in horizontal.
Yes. Very good. This is 1, 2, 3.
S.
R.
S.
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 So can I say these are identical?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
R.
1, 2,
R.
3.
R.
So are A and B enantiomers?
No.
No.
Oh.
Can I say A and B are identical?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Are B and C distereomers?
No.
No.
Can I say B and C are enantiomers?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
इसका R है, इसका S है. Are A and C enantiomers?
Yes.
Yes.
Are A and C distereomers?
No.
No.
Distereomer होने के लिए minimum 2 chiral carbon होना जरूरी है. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Have I also told you that cis and trans forms of a molecule are distereomers?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Cis form? No, I think I have not told you this.
No, ma'am.
ये दोनों को भी distereomers बोलते हैं. So distereomerism is not limited only to optical isomerism. Even geometrical isomers are known as distereomers.
Ma'am, could you help us visualize why?
Can I say the distereomers will differ in the configuration of at least one carbon?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say the distereomer here are differing in the configuration of this carbon?
Yes, ma'am.
ये कार्बन का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सेम है दोनों में, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
और
ma'am.
इसका अलग है, so they are diastereomers.
So
Okay.
cis and trans of
Yes.
any molecule.
Diastereomers, geometrical isomers are always
Diastereomers.
diastereomers होते ही हैं, और ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म में डाइस्टेरियोमेरिज्म होने के लिए यू रिक्वायर मिनिमम 2 chiral carbon.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
so ma'am, all geometrical isomers
isomers are diastereomers. Yes.
no exceptions.
No,
all
no
true.
exceptions. Yes, yes, all true.
Okay, ma'am.
But in optical isomerism, diastereomerism will be possible only if you have minimum
2.
2 chiral carbon. Got it?
Yes.
So इसमें you shouldn't have checked only for diastereomerism because this has how many chiral carbon?
1.
So the only options which could be selected here would be A and C. You have to just find out between A and C.
Okay.
And that you can assign through the configuration of the molecule. All of you got this?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. Which of the following does not have an asymmetric carbon? Asymmetric matlab chiral carbon. Can I say this has 2 chiral carbon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
There's a
ma'am.
chlorine, there's a hydrogen. This side I have a CBr group and this side I have a CH2 group. So चारों group अलग हैं. So is this carbon. This also is chiral. Why is this chiral?
Methyl, hydrogen.
Yes, methyl, hydrogen. This side there is a carbon, this side there is a.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Does this molecule have a chiral carbon?
No.
Oh, no. No.
Yes.
Yes.
See how your answer changed immediately. Is that carbon which I have marked is chiral?
Yes. No.
It has a hydrogen, it has a chlorine, it has a methyl group, and it has this entire group.
Yes.
So it is chiral.
Yes.
The only thing is to be checking here. How many carbon here?
3. 2.
ये क्लोरीन है. और ग्रुप्स कितने हैं? क्लोरीन, हाइड्रोजन, आयोडीन, ब्रोमीन.
4.
So 4 ग्रुप्स हैं. So can I say double bond होगा इसमें? वैसे डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन निकालो इसका. डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन you'll get it as 1. DU 1 आया मतलब it can have 1 double bond or 1 ring.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
But can you have a ring between 2 carbon?
No.
हाँ. So
No.
minimum कितने कार्बन होने चाहिए रिंग के लिए?
4.
3.
3 carbon.
Three.
Yes. So 2 carbon में you can have only 1 double bond as a degree of unsaturation. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
There
ma'am.
are 2 groups here: chlorine, hydrogen, iodine, and bromine. These are the 4 groups. Will this compound have any chiral carbon?
No.
No, because there's a double bond.
Double bond.
Okay, so this is your answer. All of you
Asymmetric
understood?
का मतलब मैम इधर यही है ना chiral.
Chiral मतलब चारों ग्रुप्स अलग होने चाहिए ना, टेट्राहेड्रल कार्बन होना चाहिए.
Yes मैम. और asymmetric का?
Asymmetric वही होता है, chiral ही होता है.
Yes मैम.
Chirality means dissymmetry or asymmetry.
मैम तो सिंगल डबल बॉन्ड में कायरलिटी नहीं हो सकता.
हाँ, सिंगल अगर डबल बॉन्ड है तो उसमें नहीं हो सकता. अगर क्यूमुलेटेड सिस्टम है तो हो सकता है उसमें.
हाँ मैम.
क्यूमुलेटेड में अगर 2 डबल बॉन्ड्स हैं तो उसमें होगा, कायरलिटी
Okay,
हो
ma'am.
सकता है. हाँ, बट जरूरी नहीं है कि उसमें भी कायरलिटी हो. जैसे अगर मैंने ये कंपाउंड ले लिया, will this particular form show optical?
No.
Can I say if this methyl and this methyl lie in the plane of the paper, the hydrogen will come out and this hydrogen will go behind?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
But in spite of that, the molecule has a plane of symmetry. Could you tell me which is the plane of symmetry?
The board.
The plane of the board. Even the plane
Yeah.
which is in which these 2 hydrogen atoms lie, the perpendicular plane.
Yes.
Got it? So
Yeah.
chiral
Yes,
होने
ma'am.
के लिए it has to be something. It should not have any plane of symmetry. It should not have any point of symmetry. Can I say this will be chiral? Does this have any plane of symmetry or point of symmetry?
No ma'am.
So
No,
this will
ma'am.
be chiral. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So the main condition for a molecule to show optical activity is presence of chirality, not presence of chiral carbon. See, understand the difference. I repeat, the main condition for a molecule to show optical activity is the presence of chirality, not necessarily a chiral carbon. Means what?
No
Without
symmetry.
chiral carbon also there can
Yes,
be.
there can be molecules without chiral carbon also which can show optical activity. The best example I have given this alene system. Got it? इसमें chiral
Yes.
carbon नहीं है तो भी ये chiral है क्योंकि इसमें ना plane of symmetry है ना point of symmetry है. So this will be optically active. Even there is not necessary that it has to be chiral carbon only. Even this compound is chiral. It has a chiral nitrogen. Why chiral nitrogen? Can I say this will not have any plane of symmetry, no point of symmetry?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये tetrahedral nitrogen है. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but then this, even if they ask you whether this rotates the plane of plane polarized light, you're supposed to report it as no. And what is the reason for that? Because this undergoes what is called as pyramidal inversion. Have you heard about pyramidal inversion?
Not until now.
Do you remember me doing chemical bonding with you?
Yes.
Yes.
In that,
Yes.
I have explained what is a fluxional molecule.
Yes, ma'am.
What are fluxional molecules?
Changes its geometry.
So basically, अच्छा इसका ये नाइट्रोजन का शेप ये मॉलिक्यूल का शेप क्या होगा?
Tetrahedral.
Now it is pyramidal.
Geometry will be distorted tetrahedral. What about the shape?
Pyramid.
Pyramid.
So this is pyramidal. अब ये जो दो forms है, can I say these are mirror image isomers?
Yes, ma'am.
So what happens is this nitrogen, it changes its form from this to this by undergoing a pyramidal inversion. अब ये pyramidal inversion बताती हूँ, रुको. I'll just show it to you. Let me get some pens. One minute.
Ma'am, you have muted yourself.
Are you able to visualize this? See this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now consider this is a nitrogen at the center. This is a hydrogen. This is your methyl group और ये पीछे ethyl group है और ये ऊपर lone pair है. Am I right?
Yes,
This part
ma'am.
is understood? Okay. Now इसका जो mirror image होगा, can I say उसमें hydrogen इधर ये कौन सा group कहा था मैंने? Hydrogen ना?
Yes.
Yes.
उसका hydrogen इस तरफ होगा. This side.
Yes, ma'am.
And the methyl group will be on the other side.
Yes, ma'am.
Ethyl will be behind only, and lone pair will be above. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this does what? It undergoes what is called as pyramidal inversion. Can I say the shape of this molecule is pyramidal?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
What happens is first this lone pair, it goes into the plane like this, giving you a square planar arrangement, and then it rotates itself like this again. तो ये पूरा pyramid उल्टा हो जाता है. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
I repeat, this lone pair जो अभी ऊपर है, It first goes into the plane. In fact, all these atoms come in the same plane, giving you what arrangement?
Square planar.
Planar. And then again the pyramid rotates so that this lone pair moves down. This molecule keeps on happening. It keeps on moving like this. So this type of inversion is called as pyramidal inversion. It is like umbrella. Umbrella देखो, umbrella अगर बहुत ज़्यादा तूफान आता है तो umbrella का क्या होता है? उल्टा हो जाता है. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
That type of inversion is called as pyramidal inversion. I'm getting back to this. Okay. So due to this pyramidal inversion, what happens is the dextro form of the molecule, it keeps on changing into the levo, and levo keeps on changing into the dextro form. So can I say at any instant of time, you'll always have a mixture of dextro and levo?
Yes, ma'am.
And such a mixture will be called as what?
Racemic
So what will be the net rotation of this racemic mixture?
0.
So though this compound has chirality present, but in spite of this, the compound does not show optical activity due to pyramidal inversion. Okay, pyramidal inversion. You can stop this pyramidal inversion by including bulky groups on nitrogen. Like if there are bulky groups on nitrogen, say एक अगर ये bulky group आ गया, can I say यहाँ पर दो bulky groups हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
So more energy will be needed for pyramidal inversion. So this molecule will not show pyramidal inversion at room temperature because the energy of the room temperature will not be sufficient to cause that pyramidal inversion. In other words, इसका pyramidal inversion नहीं होगा. So can I say इसका geometry fixed हो गया?
Yes.
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
fixed
Yes,
हो गया. So
ma'am.
this is chiral, and this is chiral means so it will be optically active. So this you will be reporting it as optically active, but this you will not be reporting it as optically active. You understood the reason for that?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Even when nitrogen is a part of a ring, then also it is not going to show pyramidal inversion. Like for example, I take this. Can I say this is a chiral nitrogen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
एक lone pair है, एक methyl है. This side I have a CH2 group. This side I have a CCH3 CH2 group. So can I say all the four groups are different?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But can I say the ring cannot just turn upside down like that? जैसे इसमें हुआ.
Yes, ma'am.
So when nitrogen is a part of a ring, then also pyramidal inversion is not possible. So if you're asked how many chiral centers are there in this molecule, what should be your answer?
1.
1.
No,
One.
there are 2 chiral centers. This is also a chiral center. How is this a chiral center? The carbon is bonded to a methyl group. It is bonded to a hydrogen. This side I have a carbon and this side I have a.
Nitrogen.
So can I say all 4 groups are different?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So total stereoisomers कितने होंगे इसके?
4.
4.
4 stereoisomers. Have you all understood this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now pyramidal inversion is observed only for small atoms like nitrogen. If I take a larger atom like phosphorus, even when you have smaller groups on that, it cannot rotate. Okay, so this will not rotate. So this will be reported as what? It will be reported as chiral, optically active. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because the energy needed for rotation of this phosphorus being large, the bonds are larger, longer. You'll need more space to move. So that much is not feasible at room temperature. Is this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Even for sulfur, if I have something like this. Can I say this is also chiral?
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि इसका शेप तो देखो टेट्राहेड्रल ही होगा. हाइब्रिडाइजेशन बताओ सल्फर का इसमें.
sp3.
1, 2, 3, 4, no? 3 sigma bonds, 1 lone pair. So what is the hybridization?
sp3.
Does it have any plane of
sp3.
symmetry, any point of symmetry?
No.
So this
No.
is also optically active. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
This
ma'am.
also doesn't show pyramidal inversion. Pyramidal inversion सिर्फ सेकंड पीरियड एलिमेंट्स के लिए होता है. व्हाट इज सेकंड पीरियड एलिमेंट्स?
Oxygen.
हाँ, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन एंड सो ऑन. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बट पिरामिडल इन्वर्जन जैसे नाइट्रोजन पे बल्कि ग्रुप्स आ जाएंगे तो नहीं होगा. कार्बन पे भी पिरामिडल इन्वर्जन तब होगा जब लोन पेयर है उसके पास. कैन आई से तभी ही वो पिरामिडल शेप में होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर उसके चारों ग्रुप्स अलग हैं, इसमें कोई पिरामिड है क्या?
No, ma'am.
हाँ, तो इसमें टेट्राहेड्रल ज्योमेट्री है. दिस यू आर सपोज्ड टू रिपोर्ट इट एज कायरल. So pyramidal inversion will be observed in this case, but not in this case. And moreover, the pyramidal inversion will be observed only if these groups are very small groups. जैसे ही अगर ये ग्रुप बल्कि होने लगे तो पिरामिडल इन्वर्जन नहीं होता है. Are you all understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now the fourth question. How will you find out whether they are superimposable? मतलब identical.
Identical.
When they say superimposable means they are saying identical.
Mirror.
Identical मतलब configuration दो chiral carbon पे same ही होगा.
Same.
You got it? How you are supposed to go about?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
To assign RNS configuration. जल्दी करो.
मैम यहाँ पे C1 सारे वो कार्बन्स होंगे जहाँ पे OH है ना?
हाँ, C1 वही है. तो सबके C1 कंपेयर करो, फिर सबके C2 भी कंपेयर करो. और रिमेंबर ग्रुप सेम होने चाहिए. सेम मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि इसमें OH इधर है तो इसमें Br इधर होना चाहिए जहां पर इथाइल है. समझा? वो फिर पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म हो जाएगा. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
कार्बन पे इथाइल है, उस
Okay,
कार्बन पे
ma'am.
क्या है? OH है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो जिस कार्बन पे इथाइल है उस पे OH ही होना चाहिए, Br नहीं होना चाहिए. तो फिर वो पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म हो जाएंगे. दैट इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल, नॉट कॉन्फिगरेशनल.
Yes.
चलो, गिव मी द कॉन्फिगरेशन फर्स्ट.
S.
SNR. First one.
इस पे क्या मिला?
ऊपर से
ऊपर से S नीचे R.
RS.
Can I say these are enantiomers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
SR.
SR.
Can I say these are identical?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. और यहाँ पर क्या आ रहा है?
RR.
वैसे आंसर आ गया है. Am I right?
1 3.
हाँ, 1
D
and
option.
so option D. All of you understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Total number of optically active isomers of monochloroisopentane. What is isopentane first of all? This is isopentane.
The second carbon.
Monochloro means chlorine can be introduced here, or here. Introducing chlorine here or here will give me the same product. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Let us introduce chlorine on all the remaining carbons. Supposing this is chlorine introduced here, then I can have chlorine on the second carbon. All these are monochloroisopentenes. Then I can have chlorine on the third carbon. And then I can have chlorine on the fourth carbon. इसमें से ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव कितने होंगे?
2 ही होंगे.
2 ही होंगे, ma'am.
कौन सा वाला?
थर्ड और फोर्थ.
थर्ड और
पहला
Can
पहला
I say
और
this
थर्ड.
is chiral?
फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड.
यस मैम.
This is also chiral?
यस मैम.
हाँ, so इसके दो आइसोमर्स होंगे, डेक्स्ट्रो और लीवो.
या
इसके भी दो, डेक्स्ट्रो और लीवो. So total आंसर क्या आना चाहिए?
4.
4.
All of you got this question?
यस मैम.
Very important question. ये JEE में आ चुका है पहले. Okay? You understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I clear this off?
वो बाकी
Yes, ma'am.
क्यों नहीं होगा?
नहीं, बाकी में chiral carbon नहीं है ना, देखो. Nowhere there is a chiral carbon.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Sixth question.
Enantiomers.
Same optical rotation मतलब same configuration, समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो ढूंढो आइडेंटिकल कौन सा है.
मैम मतलब डाइस्टीरियोमर्स.
नहीं. ऑप्टिकल रोटेशन सेम मतलब आइडेंटिकल.
अच्छा.
Same direction also, man.
सेम, हाँ, मतलब आइडेंटिकल मॉलिक्यूल ढूंढ लोगे तो फिर दे विल हैव द सेम ऑप्टिकल रोटेशन ना. डायरेक्शन मैग्नीट्यूड सेम ही हो जाएगा ना.
1 and 3.
यस मैम 1 and 3.
1 and 3, ma'am.
कैन आई से 4 तो रूल आउट हो गया है.
कायरल कार्बन नहीं
तो
है.
4 में there
कायरल
is-
कार्बन भी नहीं
हाँ,
है.
कायरल कार्बन ही नहीं है. हाँ, इसका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन निकालो, क्या मिल रहा है.
Yes.
एस मैम.
S.
इसका
आर.
और एस.
S.
एस.
सो आंसर विल बी.
1 and 3.
1 and 3.
कैन आई से 1 and 2 आर enantiomers?
Yes.
या मैम.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes,
are
ma'am.
2 and 3. Okay.
यस.
All of you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या किया मैंने ये? One minute, I think I switched on something. It's not even going. Okay, is the module visible?
यस.
Yes, ma'am.
So now the seventh one. How are you going to find out seventh one now?
Configuration RNS configuration.
My dear, check. Are you going to compare configurations here?
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल.
Yes. जिस कार्बन पे क्लोरीन है उस पे कौन सा ग्रुप है ये?
फ्लोरीन.
Chlorine.
और इस पे कौन सा कार्बन, ये कायरल कार्बन पे कौन सा ग्रुप है?
Low.
Position isomers. You don't have to check the configuration until unless they are configurational isomers. Got it?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
These
ma'am.
are
Yes, ma'am.
constitutional position isomers है ये. Be very careful when you're looking at the questions. Okay?
मैम तो ग्रुप सेम होने चाहिए.
100% सारे ग्रुप सेम होने चाहिए उसके कायरल
ओके
कार्बन.
मैम.
वरना पोजीशन हो गया ना उसमें.
हाँ मैम.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. 8th question. But I think there is lots of improvement by now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Are you
Yes,
getting a little
ma'am.
bit of confidence now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. 8th question. Identical, non-identical पूछा है. Non-identical मतलब configuration अलग होने चाहिए.
Yes.
Can I say इसमें तो कायरल कार्बन है ही नहीं.
है ही नहीं.
हाँ, तो इसमें तो चाहिए तो
CH3.
आइडेंटिकली हो गए. कायरल कार्बन नहीं है तो. इन दोनों का बताओ.
S.
यहाँ एस आ रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
आर.
R.
So can I say they are
Non-identical.
enantiomers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Your answer. Okay. What about these two? Can I say they are identical?
No.
Yes.
They are no.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
मिथाइल ही है ना दोनों तरफ.
Yeah, ma'am.
Geometrical
ma'am.
होगा क्या इसमें?
No, ma'am.
हाँ. So this is. What about this one? Are they same? Identical मतलब same. Are they same?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 1 bromo, 3 chloro, 2 methyl benzene. 1 bromo, 3
Same,
chloro,
same.
2 methyl benzene. इसमें ना ज्योमेट्रिकल होगा ना ऑप्टिकल होगा. ओके.
मैम आप ऑप्शन सी फिर से बोल सकते हो.
सी में ज्योमेट्रिकल होगा. Can I say that carbon having double bond is having two methyl groups?
Yes.
So can it show geometrical?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So they are the same structures. Okay. वरना अगर यहाँ पे ग्रुप अलग होता मिथाइल की जगह, can I say then it would have ZNE system?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर सपोजिंग यहाँ पे you put iodine और इसमें यहाँ पर iodine, can I say these are not identical?
Yes, ma'am.
ये Z फॉर्म इसमें से ये E फॉर्म है और ये Z फॉर्म है, करेक्ट?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
मैम डी वाला एक्सप्लेन करो ना.
डी में sp2 हाइब्रिड कार्बन है ना, और जो रिंग में है, रिंग में कितने मेंबर्ड रिंग में डबल बॉन्ड होगा तो ज्योमेट्रिकल होगा?
8.
तो ये रिंग कितने मेंबर्ड है?
6.
हाँ, और इसमें पोजीशन भी सेम ही है. देखो Br का पोजीशन कहाँ पर है? इसमें फर्स्ट होगा. क्लोरीन का पोजीशन
है ना.
हाँ आइडेंटिकल हो गया ना.
ओके
दिस
मैम.
इज नॉट आइडेंटिकल. दिस वन से अगर मैंने Br यहाँ लिया, क्लोरीन यहाँ लिया, मिथाइल यहाँ लिया, आर दीज टू आइडेंटिकल और दीज टू?
No, ma'am.
व्हाई दे आर नॉट आइडेंटिकल?
Position of methyl is
Arrangement.
अरेंजमेंट अलग है. कैन आई से क्लोरीन यहाँ पे थर्ड कार्बन पे है पर यहाँ क्लोरीन सेकंड कार्बन पे है?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
दीज आर पोजीशन आइसोमर्स. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
आइडेंटिकल मतलब सब कुछ सेम होता है उनमें. फंक्शनल ग्रुप सेम, पोजीशन सेम, कॉन्फ़िगरेशन भी सेम. मतलब वो सेम मॉलिक्यूल की ही बात करेंगे. दैट सेम
Ma'am.
मॉलिक्यूल आई हैव रिटन ट्वाइस मींस. हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, after this for last time, can you please explain seventh one? I still did not get it.
Seventh one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Give me the name of this compound. One bromo. Sorry, one bromo नहीं. Numbering कहाँ से होगा? यहाँ से होगा. 1, 2, 3. 2 bromo, 1 chloro, 2 iodo, 1 fluoro, propane.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें नाम दे दो. ये फर्स्ट कार्बन है, ये सेकंड कार्बन है, ये थर्ड है.
1 iodo.
हाँ, इसमें आयोडीन कहाँ पर आ रहा है?
2 पे.
2.
और
10
इसमें
कार्बन.
कहाँ पे आ रहा है?
1.
तो
First.
इसमें कॉन्फ़िगरेशन थोड़ी अलग है. इसमें तो पोजीशन ही अलग हो गया. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
पोजीशन अलग हो गया तो मतलब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल हो गया ना.
Yes, ma'am.
समझा कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
पोजीशन सेम होने चाहिए, फंक्शनल ग्रुप सेम होने चाहिए, सब कुछ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सेम होना चाहिए मॉलिक्यूल का. सिर्फ जो लेफ्ट का राइट का ग्रुप थोड़ा इंटरचेंज होएगा तो उसको कॉन्फ़िगरेशनल बोलते हैं. समझा कि नहीं?
Ma'am, under.
समझा.
ओके. 9th क्वेश्चन. Are first and second configurational or constitutional? You see that?
Configurational.
Yes, they are configurational. Can I say ये कार्बन पे जिसपे ब्रोमीन है उस पे इथाइल ग्रुप है?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
और ये कार्बन ब्रोमीन के साथ कौन सा ग्रुप आ गया इधर?
Ethyl.
Ethyl.
So these are not configurational, they are constitutional.
Constitutional.
Structural isomers है, समझा?
Ma'am,
Yes,
all are
ma'am.
constitutional then.
हाँ देखते हैं थर्ड वाला. थर्ड वाला देखो मिथाइल.
No. 1 and 3 are.
1 and 3 are configurational.
Yes.
So 1 and 3
Option
के
C.
बीच में are 1 and 3 structural?
No.
No, ma'am.
Are 1 and 2 and
No.
enantiomers?
Yes, C is correct.
1 and 3 are enantiomers. How will you check?
SN configuration.
SNR configuration.
वो भी कर सकते हो. हाँ RNS से ही आएगा इसका आंसर. ये कार्बन पे R है या S है चेक करो. ये कार्बन पे R है.
S.
ऊपर वाले पे.
Yes, ma'am.
दोनों पे S है मैम.
यहाँ पे check.
R.
दोनों पे R है.
RR.
So they are enantiomers. 1 and 3 are enantiomers. What
Structural.
about 1 and 2?
Structural.
Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 10th question. If the optical rotation produced by this compound is plus 36, then that produced by this. अच्छा, इसका configuration निकालो पहले.
S.
SS आ रहा है दोनों का.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
इसका निकालो.
RS.
RNS.
Are they enantiomers?
No.
Yes. Enantiomers.
नहीं, enantiomers कैसे होंगे?
Diastereomers.
Diastereomers.
But can I say this chiral carbon and this chiral carbon have same groups?
Yeah.
और एक का R है, दूसरे का S है. So can I say this is the meso?
Yes, ma'am.
देखो meso compound में ये होता है. Group same होते हैं दोनों chiral carbon पे. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अब यहाँ का configuration यहाँ का निकालो. Tell me, give me the configurations.
S.
ऊपर वाला है.
SR.
S and R.
S and R.
Can I
Yes.
say this has a plane of symmetry? All of you
Yes.
agree?
Yeah.
But the
Meso.
configuration here is R and here is S. So
Meso.
if same groups are present on the both the chiral carbon, and if one has R, one has S, what is the compound?
Meso.
Meso.
The optical rotation here.
0.
0
degree.
All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये D जो है ना, capital D, I haven't yet taught. Capital D I'll be doing in the chapter of carbohydrates. So as of now, no need to do this question.
मैम डी डेक्स्ट्रो नहीं होता.
नहीं, ये D डेक्स्ट्रो नहीं होता है. D और capital L का मतलब कुछ और है. अच्छा, I think time हो गया है. Am I right?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
remaining questions I'll take it in the next class. Next class I think is on Saturday.
No class on Saturday.
No class, ma'am.
क्यों?
मैम
किस
डायरेक्टली जून.
empty है Saturday को.
Ma'am, empty है ना?
Major test.
डायरेक्टली जून.
अरे तो ये बाकी के questions?
You can take extra class. Extra.
You'll be able to solve all this?
No.
Not the IIT JEE part. We can do the exercise 3-4 full.
Then if you want, I can keep a class for you all.
Yes, miss, extra class.
Oh, ma'am.
Like those who want to
Ma'am.
join can join and complete the booklet with me.
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Which day you all want?
Tomorrow.
Wednesday.
ma'am.
Ma'am, tomorrow.
हाँ, tomorrow I think yeah, I'm having some free time. What time is available for you?
Any time.
Ma'am, anytime.
Full free.
Morning is also okay. Evening also. Evening 6 o'clock.
No, I'll take it in the morning because morning I'm not having.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we will
ma'am,
not
yes,
be
ma'am.
able to finish till that time.
Morning, what time you want?
11 or 12 o'clock.
11, ma'am.
नहीं
11
so
to
late. तुम मेरा पूरा दिन ले
8
लोगे.
o'clock.
9.
9 o'clock.
9.
9 o'clock is fine with me.
9 fix, ma'am.
9 it is.
So tomorrow 9 o'clock I'll send you. Tomorrow is Thursday है ना पक्का?
Yes,
Ah.
ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है. So tomorrow 9 o'clock का I will send you the link. So
Yes,
I'll try
ma'am.
covering as much as possible. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay okay चलो.
मैम
हाँ
Ma'am,
बोलो.
मैम
thank you.
मुझे एक्सरसाइज 1 में एक डाउट था. In 30 second.
ये वाला.
हाँ मैम कंफ्यूज हो रहा है बहुत.
ओके. इसका इनॉल फॉर्म पूछा है. कैन आई से यहाँ पर जो डबल बॉन्ड है वो ब्रिज हेड कार्बन पे है.
यस मैम.
इसका हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या होना चाहिए? sp2. और बॉन्ड एंगल कितना होना चाहिए इधर? 120 ना.
यस मैम.
तो 120 डिग्री बॉन्ड एंगल यहाँ पर वो ले नहीं पाएगा. एम आई राइट?
यस.
यहाँ पर भी डबल बॉन्ड ब्रिज हेड पे ही है. ये दो
हाँ.
रिंग के. हाँ. तो these two are more stable than these two. You got
Yes.
this?
Yes.
Now between this and this, can I say there is edge bonding here?
Yes. So that is more stable.
हाँ.
Okay.
ठीक है.
मैम तो D is greater than C और A और B में?
A और B में A में edge bonding होगा.
हाँ तो okay. D C A B.
हाँ.
Okay मैम. Thank you मैम.
मैम ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म का सेकंड.
Okay, 1 minute. Geometrical isomerism मतलब exercise 3 ना?
Yes.
Okay, this one?
Second.
ये वाला ना?
Yes.
Chlorocyclopropane. Will this have geometrical isomerism? Can I say chlorine यहाँ पर आगे हो या पीछे हो? It will not matter. Because
Yes,
chlorine के पीछे कितने हाइड्रोजन है? 3 हाइड्रोजन है. और क्लोरीन के साथ में कितने हाइड्रोजन है आगे? 2. तो अगर ये क्लोरीन को पीछे भी कर दिया मैंने तो क्लोरीन के साइड में 2 हाइड्रोजन ही होंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so this will not show. What about 112 trichlorocyclopropane? This is 112 trichloro. Can I say इस कार्बन पे दोनों क्लोरीन है?
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसको आगे ले जाओ पीछे ले जाओ, would it matter?
Yes, ma'am.
Would it change the configuration?
No.
Hexachlorocyclopropane is this. Will this show different geometry? Or will this show? Can I say 1,2 dichlorocyclopropane will show? ये कौन सा configuration है? Cis. और इसका दूसरा मॉलिक्यूल होगा ये ट्रांस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वाला. डिफरेंस क्या है देखो. कैन आई से इसमें दोनों क्लोरीन बोर्ड के आगे आ रहे हैं?
Yes, ma'am. Same.
इसमें एक आगे आ रहा है
एक आगे एक पीछे. Yes.
गॉट द आंसर?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. ठीक है. एनीथिंग एल्स? एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? Okay. I'm ending the class now. Chalo, tomorrow I'm sending the link for 9 a.m. Chalo, bye all of you.